So my name is Prakhar. I'm one of the co-founders of Conscious Chemist. We are a clean beauty brand. We make performance-driven products in skincare. We are present in categories like sun care, face cleansers, body creams, etc. So we were primarily struggling with too many dashboards essentially to manage our D2C activities, be it marketing, be it customer support. I think BIK has allowed us to do that on a single platform, and it had also done it in a way that the learning curve is not very extended; it's very steep. So we were able to quickly learn the dynamics of the dashboard and quickly get started. Like I mentioned, it has streamlined a lot of our communications with our customers, right? And we are able to do that on a single dashboard, which is a huge plus point for us. And we are also able to instantly reply to, the queries that we get on our ads or on our, or on our emails, etc. Wherein the speed and the accuracy of responses has improved. So I think that is a great advantage. So I think one of the features is the dashboard analytics. I think all the broadcasts and the communication that we do with our customers, we are able to see the response and the metrics in real time. And also, I think the chat features of BIK are great, especially with end consumers. The overall, the flow of the software and the basically the customer journeys that we can, align with BIK. That is also a huge benefit. So experience with the entire team of BIK has been great. I think the guys and the girls that I've interacted with on BIK are one of the most responsive and one of the most, active people I've seen in this space, right? And all our queries, all our concerns are, if not immediately, but are addressed in due time. So that is a great advantage.